What's up? Back at work. We're gonna bust out 11 test drives this week. Definitely hit that subscribe button. But today we're going for a ride in a 1966 Impala convertible. This is a real SS. 283 matching number. Motor under the hood here. Real nice clean car inside and out. We're gonna be dropping the top before we take off. Checking this car all the way out on the test drive, and then we're gonna stop and do a walk around video. We do 2 parts to every car, so make sure to watch both videos. That way you know exactly what you're buying before you get down here. We're located in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check our website out, maplemotors.com. I've got 100 detailed pictures, finance options, and shipping options available. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Checking out the interior before we leave here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Looking around the dash, it's nice and clean. Same with the console, the seats. Back seat looks pretty clean as well. Checking out the top, it's in good condition. We're gonna start it up. We're also gonna drop the top before we leave. Radio's working. Cut it off, see if the blower motor's working on this one. Definitely not, it's gonna need repairing. Wipers, they work. You ready for this horn? Ha-ha! Let's drop this top. So to drop the top, pull both sides. This is the first time I've actually dropped this top in particular. Switch. That's the way we go. Got the top dropped down. See what she looks like now. All right, guys, this should be a fun test drive. Let's hit the road. All right, we're about to get down here. I noticed it does not have seatbelts. It's something that's going to have to be added. Go ahead and put this down before it flies away. The brakes are real sensitive right now. Knock the dust off of them. It's also showing 2,225 miles. I can't stand behind that. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. Gas gauge is floating around. Some of our buddies down there at Brian's Motorsports. Check out brianmotorsports.com. They've got a whole list of accessories and options. They can upgrade your car if you buy one from us. People have been doing that a lot. Just keep that mat down there. All right. A little bit bumpy on the road here. It may be in the tires. Our kick down is hooked up on this car. Brakes pulling to the right now. I'm gonna ride them just a little bit, see if I can knock the dust off of them. You very well may have a belt messed up in one of our tires here. It feels like our front left. Typically I'd pull them, turn around, and make him fix it instantly. But I want to get this car online. The brakes are touchy. I mean, they're stopping fast, but this one over here feels like it's grabbing more than the others. When we do my walk around video, which is about to be right up here in the corner, I'll look at all the tires and see if I can find that. I feel it's like this, that front left tire. Turn signals, both of them are popping up on the dash here. right, guys, we're pulling off in this parking lot here. I'm gonna check this whole car out inside and out. And we'll get some drive-by shots. I'll drive over the camera, past it, kind of give you an example of what it looks like on the outside. All right, let's get it. I did notice one thing, she is smoking a little bit. I'm trying to rev it up. Seeing a little bit of smoke coming out when I was riding around the parking lot here. Definitely wanted to point that out and let you know. All right, let's head on back to the lot. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. We're gonna head on back to the lot. See if we can get in a straight path here. For the most part, the car's going straight down the road. Haven't had any issues with that. And the brakes don't pull anymore now that the dust is knocked off of them. So we still got that bump coming from one of these tires. I don't know which one it is. I looked in my walk around video and I couldn't find anything with a lump in it or any visual issues with the tire, but I can feel it while I'm driving down the road right now. The tires actually look fairly new, which is kind of crazy, but it has happened before. Steering on this car is tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. Take a right on this road right here and listen for rattles. Check the suspension out. There's a bump coming up right here. Nice and smooth. Other than that little bump, the car seems to be running and driving great. It does have a little bit of smoke coming out of the exhaust. I wanted to show you all that. Being an original motor. All right, we've made it back to the car lot here, so we're gonna go ahead and pull in. I'm gonna grab another car and we're gonna take off down the road. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. Y'all have a good day. Guys, if you enjoyed this test drive, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day of all these classic cars. Check us out at maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures. We've also got financing and shipping options available on that site. If you want to see the walk around video pointing out all the flaws on the paint job underneath, inside and out, wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and boom, it'll pop up. With any car on the lot, you can look them up. Just for example, type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar and they'll pull up like this. Type in 1930 Model A, Maple Motors. You'll get 2 videos of this car, a test drive and a walk around. Got tons to get to this week. I'm gonna be doing like 11 test drives, probably 4 a day, and try to knock it out. I do appreciate y'all watching, and I wanna thank y'all for sharing my videos. Y'all have helped me out greatly. I wanna thank you for joining the channel if you're new. All right, we're going on to the next one. See you soon.